7 Potential health benefits of butternut squash. Technically a fruit, but often treated as a vegetable, butternut squash is easily recognizable for its crooked, oblong shape, which is why it is sometimes referred to as crookneck pumpkin. It is bright orange like pumpkin and sweet potato, and it kind of tastes like them too. Butternut squash has a mild but nutty flavor with a slight sweetness, so it can be used in sweet and savory recipes. It is pleasant to eat, rich in nutrients, and full of potential health benefits. Here are 7 to consider. 1. Butternut squash may help lower blood pressure. You have probably heard that bananas are a rich source of potassium, but they are not your only option. Butternut squash packs a good amount of potassium, as data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture suggests. This nutrient is key to a heart-healthy diet, especially if lowering blood pressure is one of your health goals. 2. Butternut squash may play a role in preventing eye diseases. Butternut squash has a bright orange hue you can't miss, and it is all thanks to the presence of beta-carotene. The pigment not only gives the fruit its color, but also acts as a source of antioxidants, which help fend off free radicals to prevent damage and disease. In many ways, beta-carotene is excellent for your eyes. Consuming beta-carotene, along with other nutrients, has protective effects against eye diseases and macular degeneration. Researchers also found that the antioxidant helps protect the body against inflammation, an infamous marker of disease risk. 3. Butternut squash is rich in gut-friendly fiber. Meeting your nutritional needs isn't always an easy feat, but if there is one nutrient that Americans aren't giving enough attention, it is fiber. In fact, an estimated 95% of Americans do not get enough fiber. The USDA's 2020-25 Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends 28 to 34 grams of fiber a day, depending on age and sex, and eating more fruits and vegetables is usually the answer to getting more roughage. With almost 7 grams of fiber per cooked cup, a serving of butternut squash makes a significant dent in your daily fiber intake. This has a variety of potential health benefits related to heart health, gut motility, and blood sugar levels. 4. Butternut squash can support a healthy immune system. Although it is certainly potent, beta-carotene isn't the only antioxidant in butternut squash. It is also a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E. These nutrients collectively lend a helping hand to your immune system and its ability to fight off outside invaders. During cold and flu season, you might reach for vitamin C-rich foods like oranges and strawberries, and now you can add butternut squash to the list. There is a reason why vitamin C is known as the immune-boosting vitamin. Without it, the body is at greater risk of infection. 5. Butternut squash is a good source of antioxidants. The National Library of Medicine defines antioxidants as substances that prevent or delay cell damage. Examples include beta-carotene, lutein, and vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are present in butternut squash. Making antioxidant-rich foods like butternut squash a staple in your diet can help support your health in many ways. Beta-carotene, one of the antioxidants in butternut squash, supports the body's ability to ward off disease. Specifically, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties give it a lot of disease-preventing potential, particularly against certain types of cancer, heart-related problems, and other diseases. 6. Butternut squash may have beneficial effects on diabetes treatment and prevention. Food provides a nice joyride for your taste buds, but its purpose goes beyond that. When you eat, your body converts food into energy as carbs are broken down into sugar. For many of us, blood sugar levels aren't something that need to be strictly monitored, but that isn't the case for people with diabetes. About 1 in 10 Americans have diabetes, mostly type 2, per the CDC, and the chronic condition can be serious. While there is no cure for type 2 diabetes, this disease can be prevented or put in remission to some degree. One way to do it is by making healthy lifestyle changes, such as eating a well-balanced diet. That's where butternut squash comes in. It has some anti-diabetes properties. 7. Butternut squash can help you maintain a healthy weight. When it comes to weight loss, improving your health outcomes is a pretty good motivator. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, individuals who are overweight or have obesity are at greater risk of health complications like diabetes, stroke, heart disease, hypertension, and more. Reaching and maintaining a healthy weight can start with what's on your plate. Butternut squash is low in calories and fat yet rich in fiber and essential nutrients. The fiber helps you stay fuller for longer, but it also promotes weight loss.